It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. But you are already in my heart. So let's go home, my let's go home, my friend, let's go home together with me. It's hard to say goodbye, but you are already in my heart. So let's go home, my let's go home, my friend, let's go home together with me. So let's go home, my let's go home, my friend, let's go home together with me.
It's time to say goodbye, but you are away in my heart. So let's go home. My girl, let's go home. My friends, let's go home. Together with me. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Don't forget to share to all the teacher at elementary school in Inrakang. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.